little doll.
Okay, that's beauty. That's great. That's great. Oh, so when did you buy? When did you buy this doll?
I did not buy. I got this doll in Kinder Joy.
Okay, you are eating. You were eating Kindle Joy. That's you get this doll. Yes, 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 yes. I know.
Yes. So can you tell me what we call in English this black?
This is here.
No,
Eh,
hair. It is
what?
hair, but what we called it?
I don't know. You can you can say only. I don't know what it say.
It's a braid.
What
We
is
can say braid. BRAID.
TRAID? Dread. Dread
Yes.
means what is the meaning of English?
Braid
In Hindi?
means choti, choti.
Choti. Yes, yes. I know Choti, but what is the English name? I don't know. So I don't say you. Okay.
Nice to talk with you. I saw your video in YouTube. It's awesome, seriously.
Okay. On your video,
Yeah, yes, yes. Actually, I didn't watch multiple videos. I saw one or two videos from the YouTube. So, the two videos, very awesome. Your pronunciations and your communication level and your slang also, very good.
yeah, thank
Uh,
you. But can you on your camera?
I'm in the office, Tanishka, so that I'm came for a breakover. 1 second. I'm came
Yeah.
for a breakover, so I'm not able to speak more than a minutes. Just before I pinged your mother, I just came for the break, so 2 to 3 minutes only. I will be available in outside. Mm,
Okay. So good evening, sir. How are you?
yeah, I'm fine, doing great. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
What's your school timing?
My school timing is I go at 10 o'clock and come at 4:30.
Okay, okay. That's a great talking with you, Tansika. Uh, I will do one thing. Tomorrow, after 6:30 or after 6 o'clock, I will ping you. If you are available, we can. Is it
Okay.
okay for you?
Yeah. And
Great,
what's your
great.
channel's name?
I didn't create any YouTube channel, Tansika. I saw your YouTube channel actually. I'm a fan of you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Keep talking, and we will connect again.
Yes. Bye, sir. Have a great
Have
day.
a nice
Good night.
have a nice day. Good night.
How are you, sir?
I am fine. Tell about you. How are you?
I'm also great. So would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yes, yes. Why not? Yes, my name is Barya Tudu. I am from Jharkhand district Dumka, and I talk about my graduation. I have done graduation, and if I talk about my hobbies, I like English language.
And what is your channel's name?
Yes, my YouTube channel name is English with Barrier, and I have created the YouTube channel before 5 months ago.
Verb, you know basic verbs. I will ask, and you will need to tell their past simple verb, second verb. Okay.
Okay.
So first, read.
Um, Reading.
No, read. 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 Okay.
Correct. Okay.
Write.
Wrote.
Okay. Speak.
Spoke.
Spoke. Okay. And bathe.
What?
Bathe. bathe, bathe. Take bath, So bathed. Okay.
Bet. Okay.
And teach.
Taught.
Yeah, great.
So would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. So I think as you already know my name is Arshi, and I am talking from UP Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have completed my master in chemistry, and then simultaneously I did B.Ed. But after completing my study, I took 2 years gap, and then I started to work. But unfortunately, due to some reason, I worked only 1 year, and then I left my job. But now this year I am unemployed, but I am looking for a good or new job. If I will get a good job, so that time I would like to grab that opportunity. But along with that, I am learning this language. I am learning digital skill. Yeah, if I will not get a job in my field, so that time I would like to go in IT field. And also I am running a YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all from my side.